Hello, my name is Julia and this is Fix My Finance. In today's video, we will touch on 10 simple steps that you can take to boost your credit score. As you may know from previous videos, the better your credit score, the more likely you are to be accepted and to get the best interest rates on credit products. Therefore, it is always worth to try and increase your credit score and to build it up over time. Let's get into it. Like many things in life, consistency is key when it comes to increasing your credit score. Credit scores are built over time, so the more you can prove that you're consistent with repayments and manage your money responsibly, the better. But let's get into the detail. Here are 10 simple steps to boost your credit score. Number 1. Try to keep your credit utilization low, ideally below 30% of your credit limit. This shows lenders that you can handle credit responsibly. To put this into practice, check with your credit card company what your credit limit is, and then only use up to 30%. For example, if you have a credit limit of £1,000, only build up a balance of up to £300 on this credit card before paying it off. Number 2. Use your credit card often for smaller amounts and pay it off every month. This proves to lenders that you're reliable in paying back the money you borrow, which helps boost your credit score. Number 3. Sign up to the electoral roll if you aren't already. This allows the credit bureau to verify who you are, and it makes lenders see you as a more stable borrower. Number 4. Start putting some bills in your name. If you live in a house share and you can't get utility bills in your name, try a mobile phone contract. By paying off bills every month on time, you can show lenders that you're reliable in paying back the money you owe. Number 5. Set up direct debits to automate repayments. This will avoid forgetting to pay your bills on time every month, which could damage your score. Number 6. Check your credit report for any mistakes, and if there are any, notify the bureau so these can be updated on your report. If you notice that your address isn't up to date, or some of your closed accounts appear as still open, this could hurt your credit score. Number 7. Do not apply for too many credit products in a short space of time. This is very important. Every time you make an application for credit, a hard search is carried out on your account, and a mark is left on your credit report. If you apply for a lot of credit products at the same time, this signals to lenders that you are desperate for credit, or credit hungry as it's sometimes said in the industry, and this can negatively impact your score. Therefore, if you are rejected for credit, try not to apply multiple times. Rather wait a while before you apply again, and before you do, check your credit report information is accurate to boost your chances of success. Number 8. Check your eligibility before applying for a credit product and avoid applying for products that you're unlikely to get. Lenders often look to do a soft search on your account to tell you how likely you are to be accepted for credit. This allows them to see some information about your credit history, but unlike a hard search, it won't affect your credit score. Number 9. Be aware of identity fraud by checking your report regularly, ideally every month. If you see any hard searches that you don't recognize and they were not driven by you, this could be an indication of fraud. Number 10. Lastly, stay on top of your finances, pay off existing debts, and continue to build your score. So there you have it, 10 steps to start building your credit score today. If you learned something new today, please give the video a like, share and subscribe for more content. As always, leave any questions down below and I'll see you here next time when it's time to fix some finances.